Here's a simple trading strategy you can try right now in 2026. And yes, you can fully automate it. If you have a Deriv account, open Traders Hub and select the Accumulators contract. The idea is simple. We wait for the price to break out of the barrier, then enter a trade right at that moment. Why? Because a second breakout happening immediately after the first one is pretty rare. So we only need to capture 3 to 5 ticks after the breakout, then take profit, and we're done. The problem with doing this manually? You'd have to stare at the screen the whole time, waiting for that one breakout moment. That's where this bot comes in. It watches the barrier for you, catches the breakout the second it happens, and opens the trade automatically. You just set your take profit per trade and set a total profit target to stop the bot when you've hit your goal. The bot is available. Link is in the description.